In today's video, I'll teach you how to install Roblox in Windows 11. So if you want to install the Roblox on Windows 11, it is actually very simple. Here I'm just going to use Windows 10, but the process is very similar. So for that, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.roblox.com/download. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Roblox. From here, you'll be able to download it. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on this option, download Windows app. Now after you do that, you can see over here the Roblox player installer.exe will be downloaded. What you have to do is simply open it. Click on the open icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here Roblox is being installed. Simply wait for a while. Now after the Roblox application has been installed, you can see over here it will automatically be opened. Now you can go ahead and create an account for yourself, or you can simply sign into your account in order to use Roblox. So like this, you'll be able to install the Roblox. So that is how you install Roblox in Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.